Hey my beautiful babies, it's your girl Queen back with another video, and this video is going to be different from the other ones I've made. So basically, for those of you who watch me, you know that I love to shop, specifically online, and I am huge into purses. I've gotten like all of my purses over the years from Ross, TJ Maxx, and Burlington, and there's nothing wrong with that. However, I have found that when I get like my Calvin Kleins, my Michael Kors, or like my Guess purses, Aldo and stuff like that from there, Nine West, etc., they were like so good in the moment, and then like a few short months after, it's like wear and tear super quick. So it's like good temporarily, but in my opinion, they're not good places to get long-term purses from, at least not where I'm from. I don't think that the people like really check the bags properly. I don't know. I'm not complaining because they're still designer purses for cheaper, so like that's cool to have something like that easily accessible for people. But I've always personally wanted to be able to afford my own Michael Kors purse from the site directly. For those of you who also have paid attention to my content over the past few months and years, I use Klarna, Affirm, Afterpay, like financial services like that a lot, and I have no shame to admit that. So I'm not balling like that. That's just how I get by. It's how I get a lot of stuff, so don't be fooled. But basically, I'm going to be unboxing my new Michael Kors purse and wallet that I got from the actual site for the first time ever. It's like one of my big girl purchases, and I'm 24. And I've been wanting something like this for years from the site directly, and I'm just literally so geeked. So I was like, why not film and unbox this with y'all? So I have my iPad right here because I have the site pulled up with the actual amount that the purse was and what I got it for, because for those of you who are girly girls and who like bags, you know that Michael Kors thankfully has a lot of thankfully has a lot of sales. And I'm ghetto, I'm using this pen to open this package. So this box is this big. Yeah, it's quite big. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to actually take a screenshot and attach the exact purse and wallet I got in case any of the girlies, you know, want to copy and follow along. We don't gatekeep this way, baby. But this is what it looks like in the packaging still. So I will tell you the exact name of this, attach the screenshot, price, and everything. We'll discuss all that. And here's the matching wallet. So let me get rid of the box so we have more space. So using this, so this purse is called the Jet Set Large Signature Logo Shoulder Bag, and it comes in vanilla and it also comes in brown. The original price is $558, and I got this purse for $99 and some tax, and I will tell you the exact price in a second. The wallet, let's see. So what we're gonna open up first, the wallet also comes in vanilla and brown. It is the Jet Set Travel Large Logo Quarter Zip Wallet. Originally $228, and I got it for $69. It was 69% off. I have been eyeing the same purse and wallet set for over a year, and I'm shocked that it was even still on the site and not completely sold out. At one point a few weeks ago, it did say it was sold out, and I low-key started to freak out, but thankfully it wasn't, and it's not. So gonna unbox it, or not unbox, but open this. She's gorgeous. Oops. I always take all this little stuff out. How cute. Just when you think there's no more, I keep finding more. There's like a tag in there. Okay, so here's what it looks like, completely opened and emptied out. So it has the coin slot, and I like the wallets that are full size because I have a lot of cards. I don't carry a lot of cash, but I have a lot of cards, and we get a lot of change sometimes when we do have cash. And so there's a good amount of card slots in here. There's room for money. miscellaneous things, you know, girl, you know, if you know, you know. I don't like that it doesn't have, just heard a weird noise. I don't like that it doesn't have like that weird, you know, like when you can see your ID, like the see-through little slot. I like to see that, but oh well, that's okay. And it only closes up here, I guess quarter zip, and then it's open right here. So this is this. Get rid of it. I'm also using AirPods for the first time, so I hope I'm not like incredibly loud, because these mugs, they work quite well. I just got them, so. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the purse. Oh, let me tell you the price of the wallet after tax. After tax, the wallet was $73.83. And then here's the purse. I know we're gonna have a lot to take off of this. So it looks way bigger, of course, holding it up to the camera like this than it probably really is. However, I'm a huge big purse girly because I have a lot of things in my purse. If you guys are ever interested in a what's in my purse, what's in my bag type of video, just comment and let me know. I know those used to be super popular like back in the early 2000s, but you know, we can bring it back. Bring back old YouTube. Because I'm just gonna get all this stuff off here, so I'll probably fast forward through part. Okay, so I got just kidding. I thought I had gotten to the outside layer of everything, and I did not. Two. Definitely don't be on this on it, okay, now I have actually removed all of the outside part. So it has this cute little accent keychain, Michael Kors logo, whatever you want to call it. This cute little side pocket that I wouldn't really use as pockets, but you could put like something super tiny right there, like a piece of gum. And then gold chain. That's one thing that really attracted me to this purse, is the shape is just different than like a typical square or like an oval or circular purse. Like the little dip and ridge, this plus the chains, it just like is attractive, and I like attractive things, attractive purses, if that makes any sense. I know it's weird. I've never heard anybody say that before, but and I like that the zips, sometimes when you get them in person, they don't always zip in the middle, and like we love a good zip in the middle because you don't want everything falling out of your purse if it tips over, or you know, you don't always want everybody seeing all of what's in your purse. I don't.
One of these little things too. Okay.
This is what the inside looks like. So it's good enough, big enough for no protection as a young woman. Protection is important, babes. I'm super happy. Like, I cannot wait to switch my stuff over. It's so cute. It's giving girly pop. 100%. iPad fit in here. Okay, so let's get on the iPad and discuss the numbers. So this is again the Jet Set Large Signature Logo Shoulder Bag, originally $558, on sale for $99, so it's 82% off, and I paid $105.93. So with the sales and deals, you're paying way less for the person wallet than what it's originally worth. So head to Michael Kors. Michael Kors, if you see this and you want to sponsor your girl, you know, you want a partnership, I'm a huge fan. I've got, this is like my third purse from y'all, so, but the first one from your actual site. Beautiful babies. So this video was low-key kind of all over the place. I apologize for that, but if you have any questions or you have any comments, anything you just want to share, you want to open up a discussion, chat, I love that, y'all know that. Please don't hesitate to DM me on any social media or to just comment under my video directly. Do not be shy. I don't bite. If you're new here, I love you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Let me know what made you subscribe. I don't know, let's just chat, get to know each other. And if you're a current subscriber, I love you so much and thank you for sticking with me. More content to come. Just please be patient. Life be lifing. And you know, I'm only 24. I'm learning as I go, point blank period. But yeah, again, if you want to what's in my bag, please comment, let me know. If anybody needs anything particular, let me know. I'm here for any and everybody. Again, I will be posting pictures throughout this video, so hopefully you can see the actual numbers of what I was talking about. But I love you all so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.